Customer complained, cab smells like smoke or soup or whatever. So we're gonna look for exhaust leaks and see how it goes. There's this thing. A little bit of smoke around it. Maybe. This clamp right here is leaking a bit as well. You can see right here. A little bit on the sides. Maybe. Jesus fucking Christ. I think this is probably it. That ought to do it. Look at that shit. They put foil paper in here. And it's loose. Jesus fucking Christ. This clamp right here, maybe. We'll end up replacing a lot of little gaskets and clamps and stuff. Can't leave this like